Good morning, everyone. It's a very cloudy day, and just as expected, it started raining. In Kerala, we have occasional showers throughout the year, and that's one of the reasons that makes this place God's own country. I started my day with my daily exercise, but today I was not alone. Advait decided to join me. Not because of his interest for exercising, he had some assignment to complete for yoga for his school, for which he needed my help. Children need their exercise. He has not been very active lately, thanks to the lockdown and corona. Anyway, we spent some quality time together and had some fun too. Being a mother, I'm very particular about my children having a healthy diet. But along with that, exercising is also very important. I always insist on exercising because that will help them to lead an active and healthy lifestyle in future. At times, during days like these, I feel really creative. Not always, I can come out as a very lazy person. But then recently, I saw this beautiful painting by a creator on YouTube and I wanted to recreate it. I don't mind sitting for hours to complete a project that I've put my heart into. I always like to complete it in one go. During rains, I have this intense craving for ice cream. Do any of you have one of those? I shared some with the kids and then started eating right out of the cup. You should have seen the look on their faces. It was so funny. They kept on staring at me till I stopped eating out of it. Life wouldn't be the same if not for puddles to splash on. Rain gives us life, and that makes it so pure and beautiful. So I'm off to enjoy the rain and see you all very soon.